Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the Gil again is definitely still in an uptrend even on this 1 hour time frame. This is the last major structure right here that it made before it went up and made a new swing high. So anything that happens between these two swings right here could just be a correction, and it probably is more probable that it will just keep on trending up. If you go all the way up to the daily or the weekly, I still think there's a very good chance that this is going to end up doing something like this over the next several weeks to several months, probably making an uptrend for wave C of B. So keeping that in mind, going down to the sort of time frames like the 1 hour, as long as we do not break structure to the downside, which we definitely have not done, then I still assume there's a very good likelihood that this is a 1-2 and that we're currently in a wave 3. If it really is a wave 3, then it will not break structure. It will make another higher low. It'll go up, it'll make another higher low, and it'll just keep on making these higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So I definitely am still suggesting longs in an uptrend. There is no reason whatsoever, even on this 1 hour time frame, to think that we are in any kind of a significant move to the downside whatsoever. Looking for three-way pullbacks, looking for Fibonacci bounces to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.